Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we're going to cover how to create a housekeeping checklist. Once you've signed in to ResNexus and navigated to your settings page, you will then select housekeeping. This will default to bringing you to the checklists tab, although this is also where you'll find room set, par, and general settings for housekeeping. You will only see this option displayed if you have Housekeeping Pro enabled. Once you're in here, you can see your existing checklist items, and you can select the blue Add button. This will allow you to create an item for your checklist. You'll enter your title and your description. Once you've entered your title and your description, you will enter in what cleaning types that checklist item will apply to, and you can select which rooms apply to that checklist item. You can do that by class or individual rooms. Once you've done that, you'll press save, and you'll see that that's created the new checklist item. And that will appear when your housekeepers are working on cleaning the room. They will see that appear as a checklist item. You'll see when your cleaner goes into the room and begins the cleaning process that they can go to the checklist, and your checklist item will appear here for them to check off as they are completing the cleaning. And that's how you create cleaning checklist items for housekeeping in ResNexus. Thanks for learning more about ResNexus.